Here's the news of the day. Campbell Police Department expands its drone as first responder program, becoming the first in California to use radar for single operator, nighttime drone operations without visual observers. Helicopter Mine Countermeasures Squadron 12 donated an MH-53E Sea Dragon to the National Naval Aviation Museum, marking the first time this aircraft is displayed in a museum. Bell Textron sold a third Bell 505 to Japan's Heli service, adding to their fleet for agricultural use, highlighting the aircraft's versatility and recent SAF milestone. The AIM Institute's new report highlights Brazil's growing role in advanced air mobility, focusing on regulatory progress, infrastructure plans, and eVTOL trials by 2030. Sala Aviation's new 7-seater eVTOL aims to cut Bengaluru airport travel time to just 5 minutes as part of a partnership to make it India's first eVTOL-friendly airport. Signature Aviation is expanding its sustainable aviation fuel offering to 6 new US locations, adding up to 58 million gallons of blended SAF in 2025. BNDES invests $45.2 million in Acely's Macaúba-based renewable fuel project, positioning Brazil as a global leader in sustainable aviation fuel production. Vietjet operated Vietnam's first flights using sustainable aviation fuel, marking a milestone in reducing carbon emissions and supporting the country's net zero goal by 2050. Kinder Morgan is nearing completion of a $54 million expansion for renewable diesel and sustainable aviation fuel storage at its Mississippi River hub, supporting lower carbon energy investments. Julius Baer partners with Cathay Pacific to support sustainable aviation fuel, aiming to reduce carbon emissions and achieve net zero by 2030. To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.